It is my husband's birthday. He requested his favorite meal. So I am making, well, his second favorite meal. His first favorite meal is chicken fried steak. But he's on a diet. So, okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make an enchilada casserole. I have all these enchilada bits, tortilla bits, I mean. And, okay, there we go. And I'm going to take and use canned chicken because I have been doing candy making videos for my other channel all day long. Or this channel, I don't know which one this recipe is gonna go on. Okay, so I'm shredding it up in the container here. Okay, there we go. Got my chicken. Okay, and then I am going to add some seasoned salt. And that noise that you were hearing was my son snow blowing. Thank you, son. All right, and then I'm going to add, he is dairy free, so I'm gonna add some goat cheese. Okay, so since Mike and I are dairy free, our son isn't, we're gonna make 3/4 of this dairy free and 1/4 dairyized. Okay, let's see. Got a little bit going here. Okay, now my next layer. I think I'm gonna go ahead and put the enchilada sauce on. Now, because I am doing so much, I am using canned enchilada sauce, and I forgot to shake the can because I am tired, and so I'm using a shortcut. But if you want a really good enchilada sauce, here's the page. Recipe for my enchilada sauce is in my Dining on a Dime cookbook, volume 1, on page 265. You can take a picture right here, or take a picture of the QR code, or go to the link in the description below to our website at livingonadime.com. Okay, and now putting my next layer down right there. And then I'm going to put cheese on top. Oops, I forgot to put cheese on my son's side. Go. If Mike and I have dairy, it's not gonna kill us or anything. It just makes us kind of sick to our stomach if we eat dairy, so we just don't eat it that much. Okay. And get all my goat cheese. Now normally I use the crumbled, which is a lot easier than this, but that's okay. And going to get it all on here. Okay, so then I'm going to pour enchilada sauce on top of the rest. You can do 2, 3, however many layers you want to do. And you can just make this a bigger pan if you want. Okay, now we're going to stick this in the oven and let it bake. Oh yeah, and you need to cover it. Okay, here's my enchiladas. Oh, yum. Oh, yum, oh, yum. Oh my goodness. Okay, this is gonna be one good birthday dinner.